Hello guys, today I am talking about WordPress. How to create a portfolio site on WordPress in 8 steps. Lacking a professional portfolio can severely impact the type of client or employer you attract, especially if you are a freelancer. Many won't give this step due care and attention because they think it's too complicated or don't know where to start. However, create a professional looking portfolio site on WordPress is a piece of cake. WordPress is the perfect solution of freelancer who are looking to showcase their work on a budget. It's got everything you need, powered out of the box, and plenty of additional functionality through the myriad or available themes and plugins. By the time we wrap the article up, you know how to create a basic but elegant portfolio site on WordPress is at step. And well, start right at the beginning or those of your unfamiliar with except such a web host and WordPress install. Let's get started. Choose a good WordPress host. We have discussed this topic to date in the past, but if you want to jump right in, here are the 4 things you need to keep in mind when choosing a WordPress host. Scalability. Your host should be able to handle demanding site in case you want to purchase your new project in the future. Security. A good host should take web security surely and offer feature to keep you safe. 3. Support. This one is critical. If anything goes wrong with your site, you want to have access to a reliable support team. Reputation. Every web host will have its detractor. But overall, you want to go with one that have a proven track record. We would be doing you a disservice if we just suggested a single host now and said, sign up here. Instead, you should take a look at our recent massive WordPress hosting survey and use that information to make a decision. Let's now move on to installing WordPress. Install WordPress. This process might look a bit different depending on the web host you settle on, but the basic steps remain the same. After signing in up with a provider, you gain access to the private panel for your hosting plan, which will likely include a one-click option for installing WordPress or the Softculus app installer. Click on the Softculus app installer icon and find the WordPress option on the next screen. Then click on install now to begin the process. On the next screen, you be prompted to fill in the detail of your WordPress site, including its name, description, account name and password, among other. Most of these are self-explanatory, but for security reason, do remember to change the default admin username and database name. Find and install the right theme and plugin. This step is a bit more open-ended than the rest of this guide, for the simple reason that we can't pick the perfect theme and plugin for your own need. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use the Gili Pro theme as our foundation, which also comes with a free version. While Gili Pro is perfectly solid choice, we are you to look around and find a theme that feels just right for you. You can settle on either a multi-purpose theme such as Zelly Pro or look for something tailored to visual portfolio as long as your theme has decent rating and good documentation. You should do okay. Dealing with plugin pauses or similar issues. Shooting off random plugin recommendation would be irresponsible, although some are downright essential. However, we can teach you how to spot the best free one. One you learn that you be able ready to delve into the official plugin directory and see what pique your interest. After finding the perfect portfolio WordPress theme and a promising plugin or two, you need to install them. To do that, you should start in the WordPress dashboard. You can access it by going to yoursite.com/vp-admin. Log in and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Ours already have a few extra options, but don't concern yourself with those right now. Instead, look to the Appearance and Plugin tab. Click on Appearance and on the next screen you find a Add New option. Clicking that will bring you to a new screen where you can either select of a WordPress default theme or upload a new one. Selecting upload theme brings up a prompt to locate your downloaded theme on your computer. Select the folder, click on install now and your to install any plugin. The process is very similar. It all happens in the plugin tab. Instant to the appearance theme tab. Here our in-depth guide on how to install WordPress plugin. Lastly, please bear in mind that your new theme and new plugin you install need to be activated in order to work. If you skip the activated your theme and plugin would function. In our case, we install the Zelle Pro theme and no additional plugin for this tutorial to keep things simple. Build a header. We have WordPress installed and a working theme. Now it's time to actually create and portfolio back. Its first component will be a header, a simple full width image with a clear message and a call to action for any potential silent visiting your site. Head to Appearance, Customize and check out how the Zelle theme look out of the box. Let's take the big header section and adjust it for our need using the WordPress Customize. A place to tweak your theme of your desired need. To involve this step, replacing the text under content in the big title section. That's how Zelle refer to its header. Adjusting the text of the first button and removing the second in that same section. Uploading a new image under the parallax tab and turning on the effect. This enables us to use an image as a as a background instead of plain color. Here the result after implementing those tweaks. That our header ready to action and we'll take a look at the side as a whole. At the end, you notice that the button below does not link to anywhere at this stage. We'll fix it later. Build a project gallery. The project gallery is heart and soul of any portfolio site on WordPress. It's essentially a collective displaying of your latest project with link to each entry. The Zelle theme include a custom post type called portfolio which enable you to add new project from the dashboard. For the example, we've edit 4 of our past article and set features image of each one set. These will appear on your main portfolio page. A site of creating for individual project there will else we did uses the WordPress customizer. We edit a new portfolio section underneath our header. you can do is easily through a drop down menu in the section under tab order tab. We modified the main title under the content tab of the portfolio section. We edit feature image to each project under the portfolio custom post section. Finally, we enable to open portfolio in a lightbox option under the setting tab. That way you don't need to create individual page for each project to get up and running. Just assign a good image that exemplifies your work and flesh out each page later if necessary. Next, we tackle adding some additional content, especially an about me section.